Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we'll be talking about tastes and flavors in Slovak, describing the most relevant words with examples. Let's start! Začíname! In Slovak, the word for taste is chuť. For flavor, príchuť. The basic tastes are sweet, sladký, salty, slaný, sour, kyslý, bitter, horký, spicy, pikantný, umami. This one is used to describe the flavor of glutamate typical in cheese, mushrooms, or fish. There are more words to describe food. Here are some of them. Mild, jemný, savory or tasty, chutný. Tasteless, bez chuti. Fresh, čerstvý. Fatty or greasy, mastný. Good, dobrý. Bad, zlý. Fruity, ovocný. Herbal, bylinkový. Burned, pripálený alebo zhorený. Rotten, zhnitý. Juicy, šťavnatý. Watery, vodnatý. Cooked, varený. Raw, surový. The most important verb to describe taste is ochutnať, to taste. You can also use chutiť, which you use when you like something. Now, let's look at some useful phrases you can use when talking about food flavors in Slovak. What does it taste like? Ako to chutí? It tastes good. Chutí to dobre. It tastes bad. Chutí to zle. This is too salty. Toto je príliš slané. I love spicy food. Mám rád alebo rada pikantné jedlo. I don't like bitter coffee. Nemám rád alebo rada horkú kávu. This cake is very sweet. Tento koláč je veľmi sladký. Now it's your turn to practice. How would you describe these foods in Slovak? Lemon is... kyslý. Chocolate? Sladká. Spicy pepper? Pikantný. Well done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe! Bye! Ciao!